Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to visit someone's profile without them knowing on Poppo Live. Alright, so it's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you want to take is of course open your Poppo Live app and log into your account. Next thing you want to do is to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from here, if you look at the top area, you're going to see this visitors option. So click on it. So if you click on it, you're going to see people who visited your profile, and also you are going to find people who you have visited their profile. Right, so if you want to stop people from knowing that you visited their profile, this is all you have to do. If you look at the top right corner, you find this option right there. Click on that, and here you can see to turn on invisible access. So click on that button, and you are going to have to open VIP. So click on the open VIP option, and you can see for you to do this you have to join Super VIP, and this will cost you 450,000 coin. All right, so if you're happy with that, go ahead and click on open Super VIP at the bottom, and then confirm that by clicking on the confirm button to confirm that. And once you do that, you are going to be able to appear invisible when you visit other people's profile. So that's it guys, on how to visit someone's profile without them knowing on Poppo Live. If this video was helpful to you, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this, and also check out my playlist at the end screen of this one. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.